सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Company name, Nitco Limited. Order amount, 50 rupees crore. Time period, 1 year. Shri Balaji Valve Components Limited has received an order worth 3.19 crore from a domestic entity for Chakan plant, and the total order book of the company as of 14th of January 2025 has reached 16.97 crore. Company name, Azad Engineering Limited. Order issuer, G. Vanova International LLC, USA. Order amount, USD, $112 million, INR, 960 crores. Time period to complete the order, 6 years. Jost Engineering Company Limited has been awarded an order of Rs 29,50,00,000 by Haryana Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited for the procurement of 2 sets of emergency restoration system, ERS. The order is to be completed within 8 months from the date of issue of purchase order or approval of drawing/technical data, whichever is later. Company name, Innovators Facade Systems Limited. Entity issuing order, Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Order amount, 70 crore Indian rupees. Time period to complete order, within 24 months from the date of LOI/WO. J. Kumar Infra Projects Limited has received an order worth Rs 1073,39,44,057 from NBCC, India, Limited for the project, development of Silicon City Phase 4 group housing including allied works at Plot No. GH01E Sector 76, Noida, up on design, engineering, procurement and construction, EPC, basis with operation and maintenance to be completed in 24 months. Nesco Limited has been declared as highest bidder and has accepted our proposal for developing, operating and maintaining of wayside amenities on Raipur-Visakhapatnam Expressway on lease basis by National Highways Logistics Management Limited. The total cost the company has to incur for development of wayside amenities is estimated at 50 crore for each of the 4 sites. The estimated annualized revenue from 4 sites is 300 crore from year 4 of operations. The annual lease rent is 3.34 crore for 4 sites with fixed annual revision basis increase in WPI and CPI. Period of lease, 30 years, with first right of refusal for extending the lease agreement for another 30 years. Period of development, to be completed within 10 months of appointed date. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।